I got a letter from Andy in Richmond explaining a problem that he has inside his garage where there's a lot of concrete spalling taking place, caused from calcium on automobiles, just water possibly working inside the garage and getting into the surface of the concrete and spalling it. Now, one of the most important things before you do anything with concrete, make sure it's clean. So as you can see here, we've cleaned it with a multi-purpose cleaning formula, and then once we've done that, while it's still wet, take one of the adhesive compounds, and there's quite a number of them, different products throughout the industry for welding concrete to concrete, and it's an acrylic-based product, and it's very compatible with water, so you apply it when it's wet. Now, you don't have to wait for this to dry. It's a matter of just making sure that it's got adequate quantities within the cavity of the cement surface. What Andy's trying to do is come up with a finish the same texture as the rest of the garage, and now we have to mix up a bonded topping mix to put on top of that and then trowel it out nice and smooth. There, I'm mixing up a mix of bonded topping mix. That's available in your building supply stores. It's a cement powder already now added to a bonding material that's going to give you a superb bonding to the surface that you have prepared now after cleaning and applying the adhesive. And it's going to mix this up. We want to, almost like a yogurt. That's just perfect, perfect. Well, let's take this out and we'll puddle it out. Now, it's just like a floor filler. After working with it, you'll find that the material being mixed to the consistency of the muffin mix will have a self-leveling feature to it. There you have it, over about 15 minutes that you'll trowel it nice and smooth. Any air bubbles that might come up, just add a little bit and smooth it down until you get the texture you want. And it will set up in about 15 to 20 minutes, but you can still work with it over that period of time. And you're all ready for painting in 7 days, or possibly you could consider staining it, especially in a garage. That way you won't have any problem with it peeling off the concrete floor. But there you have it, Andy. I'm sure that this will take care of the problem for you.